Welcome to our channel, Learn English with Pamar.
Hey, do you have a minute? I need to talk to you about something.
Sure, what's on your mind?
I hate to ask, but I am in a bit of a financial pinch right now. Would you be able to lend me some money?
Of course, I am here to help. How much do you need?
About 2,000 rupees. I will pay you back as soon as I can, I promise.
No problem at all. Don't even worry about it. You know I have got your back. Let's just make sure we are both clear on when and how you'll pay me back, okay?
Absolutely, I appreciate this more than you know.
Don't mention it. Friends help each other out. Hey, I was just wondering if you had a chance to return that money I lent you?
Oh, sorry, I've been really busy lately.
I understand, but it's been a while, and I could really use it back soon.
Yeah, I know, things have just been tight for me.
I get it, but I was counting on that money. Could you please try to make arrangements to pay me back soon?
I will do my best, I promise.
Thanks, I appreciate it. Let me know if you need any help figuring it out. Hey, how are you doing?
Hey, yeah, what's up?
Well, I know it's been 3 months, and I understand if it's been tough to come up with the full amount all at once. So I was wondering if you could pay me back in installments.
That would actually be a huge relief for me. Thanks for being so understanding about this.
No problem at all. I'm just glad we could find a solution that works for both of us.
Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel.